We have Dharmpal sir, 88 batch IS, Chief Secretary Chandigarh. Thank you sir for having us here and sharing your valuable time with us. So sir, can you tell us more about PPHF and PRANAA project initiative?
I think this is an excellent initiative that has been taken by PPHF along with the Boston Scientific Company. I think NCDs are becoming a health crisis in India, not only India but across the world. I think the awareness program that PPHF is doing is great. I think this is a need of the hour. I think this has to be done across the board. I think majority of the population is suffering from NCDs. They need a relief. We need to create awareness about the healthy lifestyle, and by spreading that, we can spare a common family a lot of financial loss. As somebody was saying, the experts were saying that if you spend ₹1 in prevention and early care, you will be able to save ₹7 later. So this is a huge financial saving to the family. I think the kind of work that PPHF is doing is wonderful, and it's in the right direction.
We all agree, sir.